Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to unsend a message on WhatsApp. So all you have to do is open the WhatsApp app and go to your conversation. So I'm gonna just type hello and send. So it's the same that you want to unsend this message saying hello. So all you have to do is long press the word, the message, and there you get an option called delete. So all you have to do is long press the, not just tap, you have to hold the message. When you hold the message, a window will pop up, and there you'll get to see delete, an option called delete on the bottom of the window. So you have to click it, and then on the left hand bottom corner you'll be able to see recycle bin. You have to you can also select whatever the messages you have put earlier and select them, but I'm just gonna delete this. So I'm just gonna since I've already selected it, I'm just gonna click on the recycle button, and then you'll get two options. So delete for everyone, delete for me. So if you select delete for everyone, the messages you have selected will all be deleted for the person who's chatting with you as well. But if you want to delete it only for you, you can just select delete for me. So since I want the messages to be deleted on his account, his chat history as well, I'm just gonna tap on delete for everyone. So they'll ask you to confirm, and you just have to confirm it by saying tapping on OK. So it's done.